Modern web and mobile apps require high performance and an engaging user experience. In addition, you probably have your own set of business requirements that support or extend upon these common needs. Mobile applications require cloud services for actions that can be done directly on the device, such as offline data synchronization, storage, or data sharing across multiple users. You often need to configure, set up, and manage multiple services to power the backend. You also need to integrate each of those services into your application by writing multiple lines of code. However, as the number of application features grow, your code and release process becomes more complex and managing the backend requires more time. Amazon Web Services (AWS) provides the fastest way to build and develop web and mobile applications on AWS. It offers a broad set of tools and services to support development workflows for native iOS, Android, React Native, and JavaScript developers. You can develop, deploy, and operate your app even if you are new to AWS. Moreover, with the speed and reliability of AWS infrastructure, you can deliver secure apps that scale from prototype to millions of users automatically. Let's briefly talk about some benefits of the tools and services offered by AWS for the front-end web and mobile developers. These tools and services offer the following benefits for an organization. You can build apps faster. In the AWS environment, you get the opportunity to use the right tools for the right job. For example, AWS offers purpose-built tools and services for front-end web and mobile developers through AWS Amplify, which makes it easier to build apps with cloud functionality on AWS so you can get to market faster. You can innovate in one place. You can think of the AWS as the one-stop service center. AWS provides an end-to-end solution so you can develop, deliver, test, and monitor your app. You can also combine front-end tools with the breadth and depth of AWS services to support your evolving business requirements. You can scale with confidence. Providing high scalability is one of the top considered design principles in AWS. Front-end web and mobile tools and services are built on top of AWS, so you benefit from the reliability of AWS infrastructure to help you deliver secure, highly available apps that can scale automatically across the globe. Now let's briefly introduce some of the tools and services offered by AWS for the front-end web and mobile applications on AWS. AWS Amplify. AWS Amplify makes it easy to create, configure, and implement scalable mobile applications powered by AWS. Amplify seamlessly provisions and manages your mobile backend and provides a simple framework to easily integrate your backend with your iOS, Android, web, and React Native frontends. Amplify also automates the application release process of both your frontend and backend, allowing you to deliver features faster. AWS App Sync. AWS App Sync is a serverless backend for mobile, web, and enterprise applications. AWS App Sync makes it easy to build data-driven mobile and web applications by handling securely all the application data management tasks such as online and offline data access, data synchronization, and data manipulation across multiple data sources. AWS App Sync uses GraphQL. GraphQL is an API query language designed to build client applications by providing an intuitive and flexible syntax for describing their data requirement. AWS Device Farm. AWS Device Farm is an app testing service that lets you test and interact with your Android, iOS, and web apps on many devices at once or reproduce issues on a device in real time. It enables you to view video, screenshots, logs, and performance data to pinpoint and fix issues before shipping your app.